Hello viewers, if you're using Spectrum, then in today's video you will learn how to make international calls with Spectrum. So let's get started. First, dial the international format. To make a call abroad with Spectrum Voice, use this format. Enter 011, then your country code, then area or city code. After that, enter phone number. Suppose if you're calling a number in France, then your country code will be 33. Your area code will be 1 and the phone number will be 1234567 8. So you would dial 011, then 33, then 1, and at last your phone number, that is 1234567 8. Or you can collect calls. If you need to place a collect call, the operator will contact the person you are calling and request payment before connecting the call. You can also check rates. For a full list of country codes and dialing rates, review your Spectrum International calling plan. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.